guys can see, right now I'm at the delivery, okay? But they gave me the wrong address. So the paper says something, but the other but when I got there, the guy that worked inside, he said it's not that address, it's another one when he put my order number. It's the same company, but they got two different locations. Now my GPS don't want to take. Now I don't know how I'm gonna turn to get the heck out of here. My GPS don't want to take the address. So now I had to put it on Google Map. Hopefully I don't get you know, I see there's no bridge and stuff, so hopefully it's true. So now I don't know, I'm trying to turn it. So I don't know, I'm gonna get out. Let me ask him. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
I'm trying to get out. So you think it's good to just swing and then back up, right?
You can do that, or you can just go make a U-turn. It's probably easier. There's lots of space back there.
Oh, I can make
just
U-turn
go
back
around
there?
that guy and head back out.
Alright, man. Because I think there's a car there. I think there's a car.
There's a lot of space back there.
Okay. Alright, man. Thank you.
Alright, man.
So hopefully there's a lot of space back there. You know, those kind of situation. Alright. So basically he said, see if I can make the U-turn. Swing. Oh shit, we got the freaking cart here. I think I got it. Trying not to hit that car. Try not to hit that one. I'm good here. Gotta fix myself. Yeah, and I think I'm good. You was right. All right. There you go. So guys, yeah, I'm glad they had like, you know, big space so you could turn. Like that's, yeah, I'm at the right company, but the guy told me give me another address. He said that's not where my pickup at. It's the same company, but it's another address. So that's why I'm trying to go now. You say 8 miles. You say 8 minutes, 5 some miles. So you say I got the right. Oh, let him know I got the wrong one. Alright, hopefully, man, cause alright. Yes, sir. So basically, that sucker didn't even really check the address. Now somebody else have to give me the right address. Ain't that a man? Those dispatcher, man, I don't get them. Nobody's coming. That truck better wait. I got it, yo. I made it. All right. So now let's see if we're gonna find if it's gonna be the right address, man, because I don't want to get lost again. And that load got like 5 stops. 5 stops. It's crazy. One of my friends told me when the loads got all them freaking stops, it's not really in your advantage, because sometimes they take forever. You know, they take forever. Even when they say like right now, they say the paperwork said it might take 15 minutes to unload me each stop. So by tomorrow, I'm supposed to be done with it. But we'll see, man, because sometimes they be lying. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That sucker already come. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good now. Oops. Take it to right. And chase your trailer. Ain't got it. You see that? Hope so. Stay on my line. There you go. So now I got 4 more miles to go. I always think when I turn, that signal like gonna, once I'm done finishing my turn, that signal like gonna stop. I think that I'm in my car. I don't know if you guys, if your car do that, but in my car, when you're done turning, that signal light just turn off by itself, but that crap keep going. Sometimes I forgot if I hide it on until I hear the noise keep going. I'm like, oh shit. I like whenever you on a road and there's all them trees both side. I like that. Man, I'm surprised somebody don't try to pass me already. Probably scared. Probably scared. You don't want to try to pass me, bro. Yeah, I got one more turn. And then I think there go the company. Yep, I'm looking at it right now. Hopefully that location have enough space to make a U-turn too, because that's one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to miss. Okay. Is it gonna let me go? Let that trucker go. Trucker, watch out for truckers, man. I let that trucker go so I can go myself. So now let me go. So those kind of turn, they require a button hook. Oh shit! It's gonna be like a headache. Okay, button hook. You swing a little bit here. Your turn. Use all the space. Okay, so I'm here. So right now, what am I supposed to do? Should I just park here and do the same thing I did, which is go ask them? Because obviously nobody really knows. Okay, I don't know if the peak, yeah, let me go, because either way I'm gonna have to go down there to make to swing to get out. But where's the pickup at? to ask you an information, but I guess it's down there. Because oh, it's probably here. Let me go ask you. Yep. Let me go ask you real quick. Do they pick up? Let me go ask you real quick. How you doing, man? Is that where the pickup? Is that where the pickup office at? That's my 11-046.
Dar 7.
Go to the park at door 7?
Dar 7.
Or go all the way down and
Yeah.
park at door 7?
7.
7?
7.
Okay, thank you. So I gotta go park at door 7. So now I don't know how I'm gonna make that. I'm probably gonna have to do like a blind sign backing, man. I think it's gonna be a blind sign backing because from what I'm seeing here, I don't think there's room for me to make make a U-turn and then back. We'll see. Let's go and see. Let's go and see. Let's go and see. And I hate whenever I go to a location and there's freaking cars in the way. It's crazy. Oh, what I can do is before I even park, before I even go to door 7 like the guy said. Oh, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go right there and make a turn. That way I can face, yep, that's what I need to do. Because if I stay right here, it's gonna be a blind sign backing. So I gotta go swing right there and then turn. I'm waiting for that big old truck. And I think that's the office there. I'm just gonna ask them here. Yeah, I think that's the office. So why is that sucker? Why is that sucker won't let me change my status? I'm not driving, stupid. Broski, the election is already connected. I'm not driving, y'all. Ain't that weird, guys? I'm not driving. Fuck. Not driving and that bitch don't want to change, man. Freak. think it's supposed to be here. Door 12 over there. Door 7 is over there. Hopefully they don't trip about me having the camera. Hello? 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 Shit, I guess I'm going to door 7 like the guy told me to. Because you know how suck it is when you come somewhere. Guy here and nobody's here to even talk to you. I gotta walk. I gotta walk there. Which the guy told me door 7. Like, bro, 7 already got a freaking trailer on it. Unless somebody else taking the load. But 7 already got a trailer on it. Oh, I guess you gotta leave your... Is that the check-in? Gotcha. So I guess you gotta leave your trailer. Is that how it works? Getting all them flowers. Probably that's how it works. You gotta leave your trailer, I guess. Man, I don't wanna do no butt hunt. How did they call it? Hello. So basically it was a one.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can go down here by the desk. Derek will.
They got a desk here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Derek will be back in a minute.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Derek? I don't know. Man, I don't know how long that bus is gonna take to get here. It's coming, alright, thank you. Alright. This supposed to come. Okay. Hey, how you doing, man? Derek?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. How you doing? Yeah, I'm talking to Derek right now.
Picking up.
Okay, yeah, picking up. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
go ahead and back in here. Dock 9 right here.
Dock 9?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Alright, I got the dock. I gotta go back now. Oops. Right. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay, so I basically can go whenever I want to. I can go early. Oh. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna back to Dock 9. Where is Dock 9? That's 10 and that's 9. Okay, that's my dock right there. So that's gonna be an easy one. It's gonna be an easy one. Just gonna like go round thing and face my butt over there and then get my ass in there. That's gonna be an easy one, y'all. Whew. And I'm surprised they pick it up, because that load is, I can pick it up late, because the time that when they give me the load, the time frame was a little tight. Plus I get in traffic and all that. So whew, it's the life of a truck driver, y'all. It's a lot of things you gotta go through. So that's why if you subscribe to my channel, I show you all those headaches. I show you all those headaches, and I show you the pay stub too. But I'm not gonna only show you the pay stub. I gotta show you the headache too, you know. That way you don't think it's all sweet, because a lot of people make you think that being a truck driver is all sweet, everything is, you know, when it's not. It's really not, man. There's ups and downs, and there's a lot of down. So I'm paranoid. I always make sure I check my fifth wheel so it can look good, and then I go under here, make sure that little bar thing is connected good. So now I get my ass in the truck. Get my ass in the truck. Oh, so now you want to show that. Now you want to show that, huh? Because I was trying to put myself off duty. That sucker was stripping. Alright, so let's go get a dock. But I think that, I don't know if that truck is working for them or something. It's working for them or something, because I don't know why you keep disconnect. It's like it's doing drop-in hook, I guess. Got me confused, got me thinking like, okay, do I have to, is that what I'm gonna be doing to, like, just, you know, just back in and then disconnect my trailer and stuff like that. Gotta make sure I watch out. Turn here. I'll turn here. I'm looking at 9 right there. I think that's my deck right there. Is it? And I think so. Yep, my deck is so my deck is second, but let me get out and look. It's always good to get out and look, y'all. So I'm not, I can always try to fix my trailer here, play with it until I get it right. Oh, nah, I think it's better to go, because I was thinking if I go that way, I'm gonna back up, and then I'm gonna back up, try to flex with it, play with it, and then go around with it again. I say I'm gonna do it, but I don't think I set up good, because I was supposed to set up in a way that I can go right to that thing. I'm looking at it right now. Okay. I think I put that way. Oh, gotta go that way. The way that I think I want it, but probably not. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Yep. I think I'm good, but I gotta make sure I don't jackknife. Okay. And another good thing to do if you want it to go straight, put your tire straight like that. And then you're gonna push the trailer, supposed to go straight while your truck is following. Oh no, maybe not. And then turn a little bit on the left. Okay. And then I'm following my trailer too. Okay. So I'm good now. I'm good now. But you know, gotta do your goal. Get out and look. Get out and look, y'all. It's not gonna hurt to do that. It's not gonna hurt, trust me. Because I know some super truckers, they don't like doing that, but talking to the rookies now, make sure you do it, because you know, you don't wanna regret and shit. I think I'm good. So now what I have to do is open my trailer door. Actually, that one I have to open it first. And my trailer door. I'm doing awesome. Now, another thing. The trailer smelled like onion. That shit was dirty, man. I had to throw away a lot of onion away today. It was like 3 bags. I was mad. I'm like, man, I wish I was home, because and they were like big, healthy onion, man. So I wish I was home, that way I could, like, you know. But so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull up to the right, turn my wheel to the right, and I'm gonna pull up, see if I can get it straight. I should be good. I should be good. And then we're gonna do a straight back. Now, I don't know if I have to put my seatbelt when I'm in the yard. Do you guys do that? Okay. Something like this, and then we're gonna back up until we get it straight. yet, but I'm gonna pull. Okay, we're gonna pull up a little bit. Like this. Alright, shall we good like this? Now we gotta play with that sucker until we get it in. We gotta play with it until we get it in. Until we get it in. Play with it until we get it in. Okay. I just need a straight back. Yep. A little bit on that side. I'm good, but yeah, go check. Alright, put myself off duty. So I think I'm good. Yep. Now we're gonna put that truck thing, and they're already loading me. And we're good to go, y'all. We're good to go. Even though I'm not straight, my truck is not straight with my trailer, but I'm still good. All right. I gotta go do some paperwork. Always make sure you guys reading your sign. Right now I'm in the middle of a city now, following Google Maps, because trucking GPS, that sucker don't wanna take it. So I guess it's good to always got 2 GPS, y'all. It's good to have 2 GPS because stuff like that, like sometimes the address don't want to work on one GPS and then it works on the other one, you know. Always make sure you guys looking for your signs, man. Looking at your signs, especially when you're not following trucking GPS. You see suckers like that, you gotta always make sure you watch. Always make sure you watch, man. I got like 2 minutes to get there, so I'm gonna need my left. Ah, thanks, dummy. Stupid seen me coming and she was trying to go cut me off, man. Golly. So almost there. I'm gonna turn left. I'm gonna turn left, right. guessing we gotta go all the way back there. So it might be a tight parking, y'all. I don't know. It might be a tight one. Kind of like put my windows down. I don't think it's here. The dock is over there. Supposedly. Receiving. Okay. So receiving is over there. So I have to unblock the road. Try don't touch this. So yeah, I think I'm gonna back into one of those. Yeah. I think that's what's gonna happen. But let me go check with receiving. Hopefully I don't block the road. So now I'm gonna check with get my paperwork. I don't think I'm supposed to let you guys see my paperwork. I think they closed, y'all. Yep. So they did not mention that part to me. They did not mention the part that them suckers are closed. Fuck me. Yep. Fuck me. Them bitches was like, oh, you can drop it off whenever you want. They don't have no appointment or whatever. So now that load, I might stuck with that load for a long time, man. Hey, you live and you learn. I am not going to take those loads that have multiple stop, man. That sucker got like 4 or 5 stop. So basically, guys, which I would not do that again. They gave me a load with 5 stops. They told me that I can drop whenever I want to, first come first serve. I'm like, alright, cool. Then I pick up the load as I show you guys. So now I come to my first stop, right? Guess what? They don't take load after 4 p.m. so they close. So yep, dispatcher did not mention that part. Okay, they did not mention the part that they close they don't take load after 4 p.m. They just said you can drop them anytime you want, first come first serve. So me trying to get done with the 5 stops, and now that's what happened to me. So lesson learned. Any load that have all those, you know, all ticket, because what's might happen is if they close at 4-5 stops and they're not in the same city, what's might happen? I might have to spend some time with that load. I hope it doesn't. I don't spend like 2 days with it, which I will spend 2 days with it. What I'm talking about, I will spend more than that with it, with one load. Okay, because I think I got another stop. I got a stop in Indiana, a stop in Ohio, I think. Yep. So basically, that's what. Let me see. I got a stop in Michigan. Okay, I got like 2 stops in Michigan, 1 in Indiana, another one in Ohio, Pennsylvania, 1 in Pennsylvania, and then that one is what? MD. I don't know what MD stands for, but yep. So yep, guys, so now I'm gonna look for a truck stop, see if I can, take a shower, and then I guess wait until tomorrow, which I could have drive, but hey, I still got 6 hours to drive, man, on my shift. So now I'm just gonna lay back. It's crazy, y'all. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, man. I'm out. Alright, guys, I got lost, and I just almost went to a no truck route. Now, how did I get lost? Let me tell you how. The freaking black, so I need the 131 south, but for some reason they freaking block it.
In 1,000 feet, slide right onto the US 131 South ramp to Kalamazoo.
They block it. So now that's why I keep getting stuck now.
Slide right onto the US 131 South ramp.
They block it, y'all. Freaking working on it or
US
something.
131 South for 6 miles.
I'm like 6 miles where I'm supposed to go.
Speed limit reduced ahead.
But they freaking block it. I had to, man. If you don't know, yo, if you can't drive a truck really, you're in deep crap, man, in this kind of situation. Because now let's see what it's gonna say.
Enter highway onto US 131.
I think I'm supposed to go. I think I'm good now. Hopefully. I think I'm good now, but man, I should have recorded when I got lost, man. That's a scary feeling, man. Look, if you don't really know, man, you don't really know how to drive a truck, don't do it, y'all. Don't do it, because in situation like this, like I literally got lost going to downtown, make a fucked up U-turn, man. Make a fucked up U-turn. I had to do it. Man. Hopefully I'm clear now. Okay? Like everybody was looking at me. I was in the city. I had my 4-way flasher on, man. Everybody slowing. I'm slowing down traffic. Everybody looking at me like, yeah, he's lost. Yeah, he's lost. Like, it was crazy, man. I should have recorded, but I was under so much pressure, man. I was under so much pressure. So hopefully I'm good now. Hopefully I'm good. So what happened is they blocked the, I think, south 131. They block it for some reason because they were working on it. They block it, and GPS keep telling me go left, go like, bro. GPS can mess you up too. And that's when, like, looking at your sign
2 miles
comes
left
into
onto
play,
US
y'all.
131.
You're looking at your sign come into play. Because if you got lost like this, you're not looking at your sign, you're gonna miss, man. You're gonna mess up something. I'm telling y'all. You're gonna mess up something, man. Whew. That was a crazy feeling. That was a crazy feeling. So now hopefully I'm good. Because I'm trying to go to a truck stop. It's a big one.